Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. Today I had an exciting video. We had been requested multiple times to do something in regards to exit strategies. Recently we did a video on Curv, and I have one today that actually reconnects back to Curv. Curv continues to set the standard for digital asset security. As I said, we had just recently done a video on Curv, so this is going to be somewhat an exciting extension. Curv, the cryptography pioneer securing the digital economy, continues to enable customers to adopt, use, trade, and offer digital assets with confidence through multi-party computation, the MPC protocols. Genesis, CoinHouse, and iTrustCapital have joined Curv's customer base, integrating Curv into their offerings to provide a simple, distributed way to sign transactions while protecting digital assets from cyber breaches, physical damage, and insider collusion. Genesis, a global leader in digital currency trading and lending, has fully integrated the Curv institutional digital asset wallet service into their operations to secure digital currencies for their institutional counterparties. And Genesis is using Curv as their operational wallet to ensure secure same-day settlement for transactions. Curv met our demanding security requirements, said Martin Garcia, Genesis Managing Director, Co-Head of Sales and Trading. Their operational cloud-based wallet service gives us both strong security and instant availability, so our customers can confidentially manage the digital currencies in their portfolios. Now, CoinHouse is an early pioneer in the digital asset industry, has also migrated to Curv, founded in Paris in 2014, and now serving more than 150,000 users from across Europe. CoinHouse is a trusted partner for individuals and qualified investors looking to analyze, acquire, sell, and securely store crypto assets. Curv enables us to quickly and easily onboard customers and set up policies that ensure every transaction goes through a predefined approval process, said Nicolas Louvet, CoinHouse CEO. Using Curv technology to run our hot wallets allows our team to focus on our core business, making crypto investing as simple, straightforward, and user-friendly as possible. Now, iTrustCapital is a digital asset trading platform that enables clients to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and physical gold in real time, 24/7, 365, through their retirement accounts, with the IRS targeting cryptocurrency investors for not reporting their trades. iTrust users defer or eliminate taxes and have no trade reporting requirements. iTrust transaction fee is only 1% and includes unlimited storage for a low monthly fee. We choose Curv because securing our clients' funds is paramount, said Todd Southwick, the iTrustCapital CEO. By eliminating the private key from the transaction entirely and relying on math instead of hardware, we ensure that no person or piece of software can make a transaction on its own. Now, about Curv. Curv is setting a new institutional standard for digital asset security, using revolutionary cryptography to deliver the industry's first cloud-based institutional digital asset wallet service. Now, Curv's unique, mathematically secure, keyless platform, it gives organizations bulletproof protection, instant access, and total autonomy over digital assets. The Curv service also includes the setup, management, and maintenance of the blockchain infrastructure, which simplifies the adoption of any digital asset without building or scaling the underlying IT infrastructure. And now another article. Curv raises 23 million USD Series A round and launches TX to accelerate institutional adoption of digital assets. As we get into the article, Curv, the world's most trusted digital asset security infrastructure, announced it raised 23 million USD in Series A funding with investment from Commerce Ventures, Coinbase Ventures, Digital Currency Group, Team 8, and Digital Garage Lab Fund. The company also officially made public TX, an elite group of cryptographers and engineers who use Curv's keyless technology to develop flexible deployment models for both crypto-native and traditional financial institutions. The funds will be used to continue Curv's strong international growth for new solutions inside TX, product innovations, and hiring of top talent. Curv is driving traditional institutional and crypto-native demand for digital assets through its multi-party computation MPC security technology, a critical requirement to safely transfer, store, and manage any digital asset on any blockchain or DLT. Curv is used by dozens of customers across the globe, including global investment firm Franklin Templeton. And Franklin Templeton is massive, doing just under $1 trillion in assets. I believe it was in the 717 billion USD, which leverages Curv's infrastructure to expand into the burgeoning digital asset market and crypto-native institutions such as eToro and Genesis. A recent survey found that nearly 80% of institutional investors in the US and Europe see the appeal of digital assets, including more than a third who have already invested in the market. More investors have also taken on exposure to derivatives, according to the poll, and the percentage of U.S. investors with exposure to cryptocurrency futures increased from 9% in 2019 to 22% in 2020. Despite a challenging economic climate, we're seeing strong growth among traditional financial institutions who require enterprise-grade security infrastructure, robust governance engine, and seamless integration with blockchain technology, said Itay Malinger, the CEO of Curv. Unlike other legacy solutions, we simultaneously deliver the protection, instant liquidity, and complete control required for all institutions to thrive in the digital asset economy. Curv's keyless MPC technology and flexible tech stack enable the company to swiftly deliver customized digital asset security solutions required by crypto-native and traditional financial institutions to build world-class crypto finance products. Curv's highly scalable and adaptable platform can support hot, warm, and cold wallet configurations, as well as all tokens and protocols, regardless of the underlying blockchain or DLT. And there are a few areas within fintech as exciting as digital assets. Tokens and coins are increasingly finding their way into asset managers' books. Curv is unlocking this market with their industry-leading technology, and we are happy and excited to partner with Itay, Dan, and their impressive team, Stefan Tirte, the managing director and partner at Commerce Ventures. In comparison to more expensive multi-sig wallets and smart contracts, Curv's MPC technology simplifies ongoing management to reduce unnecessary network fees and hidden gas costs, and clients who switch from multi-sig to Curv's MPC saved a combined 60 to 70% in transaction fees. Institutional Curv clients can also collectively save millions of dollars when creating thousands of digital wallets with Curv and adapting to regulations as regulators around the world begin to provide further guidance around digital assets. Both Wall Street and global financial institutions are preparing themselves. Curv's MPC technology plays a key role in this by providing institutions with greater flexibility in adapting to and complying with these changing regulatory requirements surrounding governance, auditing, and capital requirements. This required flexibility is achieved via deployment of Curv's diverse signing mechanisms and offline storage schemas for key management. Curv AirGap is one such solution, an industry first that allows institutions to supplement their online transactional wallet with an offline air-gapped machine for signing transactions. Curv AirGap's keyless cryptography also solves key security risks of cold wallets, like insider threats, human errors, and physical damage, and frees the institutions from having to make suboptimal trade-offs between security and asset availability. Another article discusses the new platform lets users trade crypto and gold in a personal IRA. So these all connecting, and I found that pretty amazing and pretty exciting The team behind the project says it is offering a new all-in-one solution where users can set up an IRA, fund it, and then trade both crypto and gold. iTrustCapital says it's offering a new type of platform where users can easily set up an individual retirement account, fund it, and use it to begin trading cryptocurrencies, with precious metals to be added soon. This provides a safe, affordable, and efficient alternative to existing self-directed IRAs, all while keeping the client in full IRS compliance. And the shortcomings of self-directed IRAs: currently the majority of Americans' investment money goes into retirement accounts. However, the products offered by the biggest names in traditional finance, they don't allow for any exposure to alternative assets like cryptocurrencies or precious metals. And this limits an individual's options for hedging against bad economic conditions or taking advantage of the potentially huge tax savings for assets with historically high returns, such as cryptocurrency. Some have used self-directed IRAs to open up more flexible accounts, but these can be both complicated and risky for the client. It can be hard to find a custodian that will work with the type of assets you want exposure to, and often setting up the account is a fairly technical process. On top of that, staying in line with IRS regulations falls explicitly on the user, and it can be easy for the inexperienced to make mistakes. It doesn't help that a lack of clarity over digital asset regulation could lead to even well-intended individuals winding up outside of the law. Because of this, self-directed IRAs are usually only recommended to professionals and others with deep knowledge of financial instruments. Most Americans have the majority of their wealth in retirement assets, so it's hard to make a meaningful investment without access to those funds. Also, it's hard to build wealth when you're paying taxes every year on every trade, according to Blake Squadron, iTrust Chief Operations Officer, the COO. iTrustCapital's solution: this is where iTrustCapital comes in with a solution that has many of the benefits of self-directed IRAs, but none of the limitations, none of the hassles, none of the risk, the company notes. All this while giving their clients exposure to some of the most popular cryptocurrencies in circulation, and coming soon, precious metals and other alternative asset classes. So currently the platform is supporting Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, and EOS. The users can set up an account and apply for a new IRA in minutes, with professional support staff available via phone, live chat, or email to answer questions. And the new account can be easily funded by an existing IRA, 401k, 403b, thrift savings plan, 457, or even a cash contribution. And if users have cryptocurrency in an existing IRA, they can transfer the assets without paying transaction fees. Once funded, the users can begin trading 24/7 with any of the supported assets. One of the benefits of this is that all trades are sheltered from taxes, as gains made in a Roth IRA are tax-free. Given that no funds are taken out of the account until the age of 59 and a half, this means users can actively manage their portfolio without the complications that come with every transaction being a taxable event. In order to keep all clients effortlessly inside IRS compliance, iTrustCapital deploys a system of reporting features and plans to employ blockchain technology like smart contracts to enable investments involving more complicated transactions like real estate. The team says this removes the need for extensive experience and opens the door to most of the regular population. And to further put clients' minds at ease, the company offers complete custodial service backed by Curv, an institutional cloud-based wallet protocol that claims to eliminate the critical points of failure with cold storage based on private keys. This means all of the account's assets are not only safe from hackers, but also from human error, taking a large element of risk out of cryptocurrency trading. One last issue with traditional retirement savings vehicles is high costs. Often there can be as much as 15 to 30% transaction fees when trading in an IRA. Currently, iTrustCapital is able to offer trading fees of just 1% and is working to get this number lower. This all comes at a flat rate of $29.95 per month on account fees, and the team is motivated by the fact that more people would expose their retirement accounts to increasingly diverse assets, such as cryptocurrencies and precious metals, if only accessible and affordable options were available. By working to improve the user experience, provide more liquidity, and offer reliable security, iTrustCapital sees a future in which people have more control over how their money is managed. And Tim Shaler, an economist and advisor at the firm, believes that in the coming years, this model will bring in a significant amount of new capital into the market. We predict technology, including blockchain, will create a segment that, in addition to access to retirement capital, will inspire new uses for tax-advantaged accounts, and we expect with mass adoption to see 1.5 trillion USD of capital moving into this new asset class within 7 years. Also, here we are actually on the physical iTrustCapital page, self-trade cryptocurrency and physical gold in your IRA and 401k. iTrustCapital is a digital asset trading platform that enables clients to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and physical gold in real time, 24/7, 365, and through their retirement accounts with the IRS targeting cryptocurrency investors for not reporting their trades. iTrust users can defer or eliminate taxes and have no trade reporting requirements. iTrust transaction fee is only 1% and includes unlimited storage for a low monthly fee. And as we scroll down into their page, some of the most important obviously are the tax advantages, and the trades are tax-free in an IRA. You have liquidity because you can trade 24 hours a day, low cost at a 1% trade fee. Gold is $50 over spot, IRS compliant, and avoids legal complexity, and never pay 10 to 15% to put Bitcoin in your IRA, and other cryptocurrency IRA providers actually charge that much or more. And as we scroll down, we're going to cruise past into the gold IRAs at just over $50 USD per spot, and never pay 20 to 30% to put physical gold in your IRA, and other providers charge that much. Here's some of the articles they're featured in. And digital assets on iTrust platform are stored with Curv. And Curv is an institutional grade wallet built on multi-authentication protocols that are industry standard for the banking and military sector. This solution eliminates single points of failure like private keys and individual persons by splitting cryptographic signatures. Precious metals are secured at the Royal Canadian Mint, and the Royal Canadian Mint RCM provides secure storage of globally recognized precious metals products in a network of vaults at the Mint's facilities in Ottawa and Winnipeg. The Mint is exceptionally secure. The RCM weights each bullion bar upon delivery and audits the entire inventory each quarter by the Government of Canada's Office of the Auditor General. iTrustCapital's revolutionary IRS-compliant investment platform eliminates the costly inefficiencies and outdated processes of previous IRA models, opening the door for investors to safely, simply, and legally move money from their retirement accounts into the cryptocurrency and physical gold markets. And at cost as much as 90% lower than other IRA companies, iTrust's goal is to empower 10 million investors to participate in the economic growth that a blockchain future holds. And if this is something that you think you are interested in, please click the link below. I'll add it in the description for your convenience. And I'm going to leave you with a final thought. The best view comes after the hardest climb. All right, guys, remember, this is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. Click that like, share, and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one.